I took some special ed classes while in college, but it's never the real deal until you are actually doing it.
And unfortunately, in our careers, teachers they don't have this confidence of being experts and professionals because of just what we do. We're down on the ground, we're with kids, we're painting, but I really want them to understand they are professionals, they are experts, and kids having that as a resource really empowers them and supports them and makes them feel like they are the experts that they are.
It makes our parents comfortable, it makes our children comfortable, as well as our staff, because they feel prepared. So it helps us to include children that may not get the opportunity to have that same kind of care somewhere else because we're equipped to do it.
I've seen a lot of confidence being built throughout the employees here through the trainings and also the support calls that were given to the program and to the staff. A lot of the staff do feel more confident in handling challenging behaviors that may arise in the program.
Having those strategies, that's part of your toolbox. So those are things that you can pull out, in certain situations.
And when we use the KIT online courses, it really helps them, kind of come together, and they feel better. They feel stronger as a teacher, like, oh, I got this, I can do this.
You have to find an organization that will support you. And that's the thing that's, I think, special about KIT, is that it's not a workshop that just pops in. It's a sustained relationship with an organization that shares the same values and beliefs and is invested in you as an organization and in you as a human.
You know what? If I can't do for this child, then I definitely have the information that I need, and I also have a resource in which that we can call upon to say, hey, look, here are our challenges with this particular child. What are some recommendations?